In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change current position on LinkedIn. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your profile accurately shows what you're doing right now, which helps recruiters and connections understand your latest role at a glance. Start by opening LinkedIn and landing on your feed, the homepage where you see updates from your network. This is your starting point for navigating to your profile settings. Make sure you're signed in on a desktop browser for the clearest view. The steps are similar on mobile but may look slightly different. At the top of the page, click the Me icon. This opens your account menu with shortcuts related to your profile and settings. From this menu, choose View Profile. That will take you to your public-facing profile page where you can review and edit the information others see. On your profile, scroll down to the Experience section. This is where your past and present roles live. If you have multiple positions listed, you'll update the one you want to mark as your current role here. Open the Experience section's editing view, then find the specific position you want to change and click the pencil icon in the right-hand corner of that entry. That pencil is the universal edit button on LinkedIn. In the roles editing window, look for the option that says, I am currently working in this role. Click it to mark the job as ongoing. When you check this, LinkedIn will show the end date as present and include the role in the current position area of your profile, which improves how you appear in searches and on your top card. Next, click the title field to make sure your job title is up to date. Use the version of your title that best reflects your responsibilities and is easy for others to understand. Clear, standardized titles can help your profile surface in relevant searches. Below that, update your dates. First, click the month field to select the correct start month for the role. Then click the year field to choose the correct start year. Accurate dates help tell a consistent career story and ensure your tenure displays correctly. When everything looks right, click Save. Give your profile a moment to refresh and confirm the role now shows as present under Experience and appears as your current position near the top of your profile. If you notice anything off, you can reopen the edit window and adjust. That's all you need to do to change your current position on LinkedIn. If this walkthrough helped, consider liking this video and subscribing for more practical LinkedIn tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.